I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kelly. In today's video, we're going to take it outside. I have a ton of backyard work I need to get done. I have some flowers I wanted to plant and get my pool area nice and ready and looking good for the summertime.
We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna try.
So for these flowers, I just went to Lowe's and I picked these up. In the past, I would have tall grasses and some greenery that went in those pots, but this year I decided to change it up and do some color. Since I have all my hostas that are on the side of the house, it's all green on that side. I wanted to have color on the other side. It actually turned out really, really nice.
The plan will be alright, just you and I, singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside, gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night. The summer night, the summer night. Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night. Oh yeah, the summer night, the summer night, oh the summer night.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling,
This is the part of the backyard that I was excited about cleaning out. There was so much stuff stored back here up against the house from the winter time that I hated it every time I went out to the backyard. So once I cleared all this off, I was able to get all the old leaves and the nasty stuff that was back behind there, and it looked so much better.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we're wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
So now I'm just using this microban cleaner to wipe down the patio set. This patio set we've had for, oh gosh, we've had for a long time, so it's well loved, that's for sure. The kids have painted on it, played on it, done so much stuff. It's been sitting outside for so long. I really want to get a bigger one, but I can't find anything that I like, so this is what I have for now.
I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
There's my husband putting his spin on things. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the pool deck, and while I was at Lowe's, I went to go look at all their furniture and everything they have for patios, and I ran across this rug with the lemons on it. I thought it was so cute, and then I saw the Kiwi Pillows, and I just had to get it. It's totally unnecessary, but totally necessary at the same time.
I hope this video gave you some motivation to get outside, get some things planted, just enjoy the warm summer air. I know I needed it for sure. It just felt like summer was never going to get here, but on this day it did. It was very, very hot, and I actually really, really liked it. But anyway, if you haven't already and you would like to, please hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video if you would like to see more videos like this one, and I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Forgot that feeling, the sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest. Biking alone in the sunset, through the canal, so the mindset I need.